Short description. Today, Tuesday, April 15th, 2025, U.S. time, is the deadline, крайний срок подачи, to submit an application for an extension to file your U.S. federal income tax return. If you haven't filed yet and need more time, act immediately to extend your filing deadline to October 15th, 2025. Important note, the extension applies only to filing, not to paying your taxes. Detailed content. Greetings, everyone. Today, April 15th, 2025, according to the United States time zones, is a critical day that all taxpayers in the U.S. need to be particularly aware of. This is the final deadline, крайний срок подачи, to submit an application for an extension to file your federal income tax return for the 2024 tax year, fiscal year 2025. If, for any reason, you have not yet been able to complete the preparation and filing of your tax return on time, it is crucial to urgently submit an extension request today to avoid unwanted consequences from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. Why is extending today so important? Prevent penalties. The IRS imposes strict penalties for filing tax returns late without a valid reason or without filing for an extension. The penalty can be up to 5% of the unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that the return is late, with a maximum of up to 25% of the total tax you owe. Filing an extension will help you avoid this financial burden. Gain valuable time. Obtaining an extension will give you an additional 6 months, extending until October 15th, 2025, so that you can gather all the necessary documents, complete the tax forms carefully, and ensure the absolute accuracy of your return. This is especially helpful if your financial situation is complex, or if you are still waiting for important documents such as W-2s, 1099s, etc. Minimize errors. Trying to complete your tax return hastily at the last minute can easily lead to avoidable mistakes. These small errors can cause bigger problems later, such as an IRS audit or the need to file amended returns. Extending the deadline will give you enough time to thoroughly review all information before submitting. Crucial reminder. Filing extension is not a payment extension. This is a point we want to emphasize particularly. The fact that the IRS approves your request for an extension to file your tax return does not mean that you also get an extension to pay any taxes you owe, if applicable. Any taxes you owe for the 2024 tax year are still due by today, April 15th, 2025, U.S. time, to avoid being charged interest and penalties related to late payment. If you aren't sure about the amount of tax you owe, try to make an estimated payment to minimize potential interest and penalties. Quick ways to extend today. In these final hours, the IRS still offers several convenient ways for you to submit an extension request. IRS free file on IRS.gov. If your income meets the requirements, typically below $79,000 for the 2024 tax year, you can visit the official IRS website, IRS.gov, and use the IRS free file service to file Form 4868, application for automatic extension of time to file U.S. individual income tax return, completely free of charge. Make an online payment and select extension. If you have estimated the amount of tax you will owe and want to pay part or all of that amount today, you can make an online payment through the IRS accepted payment portals, e.g., IRS Direct Pay, credit or debit card, or direct debit from your bank account. During the payment process, make sure you select the extension option as the reason for payment. The system will automatically record your extension request without requiring you to file any additional forms. Use online tax software. If you're using popular online tax software such as TurboTax, H&R Block, TaxAct, etc., most of them have an integrated electronic extension filing function. Look for this option in the software and follow the instructions. Contact a tax professional. If you are working with an accountant or a tax advisor, contact them immediately. They can help you complete and file the extension request quickly and accurately, ensuring you do not miss this important deadline, крайний срок подачи. Final advice. Time is running out. If you know you need more time to complete your 2024 tax return, don't hesitate any longer. Act immediately today, April 15th, 2025, U.S. time, to file for an extension. This is your last chance to avoid potential hassles and costs associated with late filing. We wish you all the best. For more detailed information and extension filing options, please visit the official website of the Internal Revenue Service at www.irs.gov.